So I'm here in the souk, the deepest reaches of the souk here in Morocco, and I've come to the place where I bought my bag many years ago, and I'm going to have a new flap fitted because, and so I've chosen a bit of carpet, and he's now going to attach a leather strap. So he's put some glue on the carpet and he's banging it down now. I think what they're going to do is stitch it, I think. So hopefully that's a very strong thread. I wonder if he's going to hand stitch it. What they've done so far is I chose a bit of carpet, which is from this larger bit of carpet. Beautiful, lovely bit of carpet. I would love to have another bag made of this particular pattern. It's great. And I've been told that the carpet itself is from Berber women from the Atlas Mountains. They make the carpet, and what they do is they bring carpet here, and people like the guy that I'm buying from or having the repair done, they buy carpet which, it's old, it's got problems like there, but if you want a bag made out of this material, they will avoid including that particular section, so you end up with a patchwork of different carpet styles. I never knew that, but I bought 2 bags here, great colours. I meet a lot of people who are always telling me, where did you get your bag? Well, this is where I got my bag. This is where it starts, with a bit of carpet like that. They've got lots of pieces of leather, so they put the leather on the other side. Look at that. So they put the leather on the other side, a bit of carpet that he's got. There's a machine down there which they've used to stitch the leather onto the carpet, and now he's hand stitching.
Oh, tea. Mint tea. So, yeah, gosh. You've been making this for about, he's been making this for about half an hour. So, mint tea, this is what you will always be offered in Marrakech. The best mint tea in the world. And I don't know how they say cheers, but I'm going to enjoy this. So of course, I've never actually seen this being done before. So interesting to see this being done. For most of us, we just come to these shops, and most people will just buy off the peg. But the beauty of the souk is that whatever you want, they will customize it for you. So you choose the bit of carpet, you choose the straps, you choose everything. So they will customize it for you, and you get exactly what you want. And this guy, I'm sure, has worked on my bag in the past.
I bought un box.
I'm sniffing ever so slightly because I'm feeling the after effects of bathing in the cold Grand Canarian Sea. Looks good, looks good. The old on with the new. Fascinating to see how everything is done. You know, how it's put together, the repair. How you were stitching it, for example, and how he put on the leather strap. It's interesting.
ياس يا اش فهمتي اش قال لك حيت تقاد هذاك القلاوي راه فيه شويه ديال
Because
because
people come here
Yeah.
and they will see, for example, a bag and they'll buy the bag, but they don't see how it's made.
how it's difficult to make when I ask me the price when I see
Oh gosh, I knew
I
you.
can't understand. I said, no,
I
just
knew
200.
you were going there. I knew you were going there.
Sit here with me. I give you everything if you make it for
Green
free.
tea. Oh gosh.
هاتي لقيتيهاش راسي خيط جست والله قدرتي عنده هو كيدير عضلتي دوز بيه شي
Now, you told him about this. He'll do it.
يا
Okay.
خيط لي هذا
Okay. Yeah.
with needles
Yeah.
and thread strong
Strong thread.
strong thread يكون الخيط صحيح strong thread
Nylon thread.
Huh?
Nylon.
nylon thread in Arabic big food he call thread lot of bread and البلول thread it's famous food
Yeah.
on Moroccan people thread
I overfilled this bag with too much. You know, and then it starts to rip. I have never seen anyone use 2 needles like this.
كاين السبعين المعلم جاي عندك صاحبي السبعين
I know him before he was married.
Repair.
My mother
Repair. Oh, look at that. They burn.
and I was born there.
Fascinating. They burn the nylon thread. To show you quality of the leather. Only here in Morocco.
leather or carpet?
Carpet, please.
Carpet.
Yeah. So we are going to use this bit of carpet for the throat.
Here.
They still need the international cinema.
ما يجوزك هذا احمد تماوعد ويتي راه تنعاودو
So I think he's gonna, his friend compadre is going to stitch it quickly.
واش خلصك هذا ومن حيت
صافي دوز الماكينه لا
What is this?
ميل ميل
Honey.
هاني
Honey.
هاني
So why do you put
Or,
honey on? Okay.
هاني make it
Okay, so it doesn't fray.
fry.
Okay, wow. See, the things you learn here in the souk. So it stops it from fraying. Wow. So yeah, this is honey.
Huh?
Honey
From honey.
from honey.
Yeah.
Bees.
Yeah, bees, yeah.
And you
Yeah, it's bees from honey.
and so you put it to stop it from fraying.
And change the color and the stop, yeah.
اللي
And like,
So now this won't fray.
yeah. And the
Gosh.
color.
سفيان الله يسر
والزبير.
هذا نزيدو نخيطو على هذا البيت
Half one car.
Ah,
Don't worry about the price. Huh? Not hard, yeah, it's easy. Just
no, because for me, for me it looks. There's a lot of work that obviously goes into.
And this you think, just little part you to prepare. Look how many.
And it's really interesting. It's really, really interesting to see this being done because
Yeah.
things like the honey, I never knew that was used,
necessary.
and the two needles,
Two needles, yeah.
I'd never seen that before.
Two needles, yeah. مرة شافها قال لي. All
So-
these bags they make stitching with two needles. Two needles.
But how comes you don't wear thimbles?
It's easy for
Wow,
stitching.
this.
All these two needles. كاينه هذاك فيه ما قلت ديالك
لا ما شربناه.
الله يا خويا بعدا الله يفكر هذا بنتي ما قالت جواد الله يفكر عاد انت انسان شوف هكا دير فيك يجي فرص دايرتك غادينهم
And why do they burn? Why do they burn the end of the
ستوب دي العقده
the fraying?
Yeah, yes.
Stop it.
This it's necessary when you make it like this.
لا فرق شيء صار.
To be not to you understand.
understand what? Yeah. أنت لعبنا قول لي هكا. Look at this. This. No. Okay, maybe like this.
Ah,
Not stopping. For fire, stop.
okay,
Good
okay.
good work.
Wow.
Maybe this here. Stitching.
Uh-huh.
Maybe this is a little
Yeah.
not good. Listen here.
What do you think?
Welcome.
Yeah?
Look, you stitching.
Stitch?
You stitching.
I don't know.
Stitching.
I don't know. Do you think it needs stitching or? Yeah?
Stitching more stitching need.
Okay.
Solid.
Yeah. So. Because it's a lot of pressure.
Ah.
So
اشتغل.
we are going to
ها؟
وانا جاي
مرحبا.
انا شنو
put in another lot of stitching because it is a lot of pressure that flap will be under.
خمسة بخمسة ياك.
You know, what I shouldn't do is overfill the bag
ها؟
because when I overfill the bag, that's putting a lot of pressure on this flap. And over time,
اعتبر ما خدامين فيما خلينا
start to
العلم
fray.
احنا خدامين فيها.
and tear,
كاينة واحد العشرة.
then I need to do this again.
اه
صافي
خدامين فيهم. ندخلوا مع المعلمة واحنا معاه.
When you come to a place like Marrakech, you come to the souk, you
دير الماكينة.
really do need to travel with
حسبتي.
empty suitcases or empty bags because
حسبتي دار.
it is
انت بغيت
الله يسخر صافي قدير.
the most wonderful place in the world.
عرفوا بنتي شي تعرفوا كاينه
Fine. They were fine. They were upset. They were upset because I rented this young people suitcase. They were pretending. They were asking 2 years in one country. And I have to pay a million. I don't know what to do.
Change?
Change color. Simple.
No. This is good. This is good.
صافي.
So can we put one more hole in there?
Yes.
One more hole. Okay.
This one.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good, very good. Thank you very much. This is how it is done. As good as new now. Thank you very much.